Hey there, blockchain pioneers. Welcome to the Connect United community. You've taken your first step into an exciting world, and now I'm here to guide you through the next steps to success. Whether you're brand new or looking to move up in the ranks, this video will walk you through every step of going from a connector to a droid and eventually to a blockbot. Let's get started. Step 1. Set up your Connect United digital wallet. The first and most important step is setting up your personal, private, and secure Connect United digital wallet. This wallet is where you'll store your digital rewards and manage your transactions. Remember, to receive rewards, your wallet must be set up. Need more help and guidance setting up your digital wallet? Ask me for a step-by-step PDF guide. Once you've got your wallet set up, don't forget to text me your Connect United share link so I can create custom promo pics and your QR code for you to share with others. Step 2. Receive your first win tokens. Now that your wallet is ready, it's time for some fun. I'm going to send you 400 win tokens so you can get familiar with how sending and receiving works in the blockchain world. Simply locate your wallet's receiving address and send it to me, and I'll send those tokens right over. Send your receiving address to get 400 win tokens. Step 3. Stay organized and ask questions. Organization is key when it comes to blockchain. Make sure you've saved all your usernames, passwords, and wallet keywords in a secure place. Don't screenshot your keywords, write them down and secure them in a safe place. If you have questions along the way, check out the FAQs in your back office or connect with our support team. We're here to help. Check the FAQs and join support groups on Facebook, WhatsApp, and Discord. Step 4. Share your share link. Now that you're set up, it's time to share. You have a unique share link that allows others to join this amazing community through you. You can create business cards with a QR code or share your link on social media. Use Gamma to create a free web page with your link or QR code, making it easy to share everywhere. Share your link, create a QR code, and promote it on social media. Step 5. Buy your first nodes and NFTs. One of the most exciting steps is becoming a droid. To get there, you need to purchase your first Win software node. Nodes are the backbone of the blockchain and allow you to earn daily digital rewards. Don't wait too long. Node prices will increase as demand grows. Buy your Win nodes, project nodes, and NFTs today. Connect with me for help. Step 6. Run your node 24/7. How to get nodes running with BlockFabric. Once you've purchased your node, it's time to get it up and running. Most of us use BlockFabric for hosting, but feel free to explore other options that work best for you. Get your nodes running 24/7 using BlockFabric. Step 7. Get engaged and stay up to date. As a blockchain pioneer, staying connected and educated is crucial. Join our community chat groups, watch training videos, and attend live Zoom calls. The more you learn, the more success you'll have in this space. Join live rlink calls and study in your back office. Step 8. Become a blockbot. Finally, the ultimate goal is to become a blockbot. To achieve this, you need $10,000 in node and NFT sales and 5 personally sponsored droids. This unlocks even more opportunities for passive rewards and growth in the blockchain space. Keep sharing your link, sponsoring others, and growing your team. You'll get there in no time. $10,000 in sales plus 5 sponsored droids equals blockbot status. Congratulations on taking these important steps. You are now on your way to becoming a true blockchain pioneer with Connect United. Remember, we are here to support you every step of the way. Stay organized, stay connected, and keep pushing forward. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me personally. Let's make this journey to financial freedom together. Next steps to success as a blockchain pioneer. Let's get started today. See you in the community.